Most people waste gallons of water every summer trying to keep thirsty plants alive, when the real problem is they planted the wrong flowers. Today, I'll show you 9 drought-tolerant perennials you can plant in July that love heat, need very little water once established, and reward you with months of beautiful blooms. First is Coneflower, or Echinacea. This is one of the toughest flowering perennials you can grow. It produces colorful, daisy-like blooms that attract butterflies and pollinators all summer. Plant it in full sun with well-draining soil. It actually performs better in average or even poor soil than rich, heavily fertilized ground. It's hardy in zones 3 through 9. The biggest mistake is overwatering. Water regularly during the first season, then let the soil dry between deep waterings. Next is Black-Eyed Susan, which fills the garden with bright golden flowers that bloom through the hottest part of summer. It loves at least 6 hours of full sun and well-draining soil, grows well in zones 3 through 9, and hates soggy roots. Russian sage produces tall stems covered with soft lavender blue flowers and silvery foliage. Give it full sun and dry, well-draining soil because poor soil is perfectly fine. It's hardy in zones 4 through 9, and the biggest mistake is watering or fertilizing too much. Sedum, also called Stonecrop, stores water in its thick leaves, making it one of the easiest drought-tolerant perennials available. Plant it in full sun with sandy or rocky, well-draining soil. It's hardy in zones 3 through 9, and too much water is its biggest enemy. Lavender is famous for its incredible fragrance and thrives in full sun with excellent drainage. Rich, wet soil can quickly kill it. Most varieties grow well in zones 5 through 9, and many gardeners lose lavender simply by overwatering. Yarrow produces large clusters of flowers that attract bees and butterflies for months. It loves full sun, poor, well-draining soil, and grows well in zones 3 through 9. Skip the fertilizer because rich soil creates floppy stems instead of strong plants. Catmint produces soft blue-purple flowers for months and thrives in full sun or light afternoon shade with well-draining soil. It's hardy in zones 3 through 8, rarely needs much water once established, and a quick trim often encourages another flush of blooms. Blanket flower, also called Gaillardia, produces brilliant red, orange, and yellow flowers all summer. It thrives in full sun, poor sandy soil, and grows well in zones 3 through 10. Avoid planting it in heavy, wet soil. Finally, sea holly stands out with its striking steel blue flowers and spiky foliage. Plant it in full sun with sandy or gravelly, well-draining soil. It's hardy in zones 4 through 9 and doesn't like being moved once established. Coneflower, Black-Eyed Susan, Russian sage, sedum, lavender, yarrow, catmint, blanket flower, and sea holly all prove you don't need constant watering to have a beautiful garden. Give them plenty of sunshine, well-draining soil, and resist the urge to overwater.